student. How are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the homework. So, today we will discuss about GK's second chapter, animated movie. So, student, we love to watch animated movie because they encourage our imagination and take us to a dreamland. So, it also teaches values. So, our first animated movie is the Lion King of this chapter. So student, the Lion King is responsible for one of the most important life lessons of all time. Simba's sidekicks Timon and Pumbaa teach him the Swahili phrase Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Life is hard, but that doesn't mean you need to suffer. Happiness is a choice. The main idea of the Lion King is simply to move on from the past. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't mean you move on in your life and don't dwell on things. So it is also the message regarding the friendship, love and hope. Our second animated movie of this chapter, The Beauty and the Beast. The moral of Beauty and the Beast is that we should value inward characteristics such as kindness over other superficial qualities such as wit and appearance. So student, the moral is presented by showing that Beauty valued the inward characteristic of Beast and fell in love with him despite his outward appearance. The main theme of the Beauty and the Beast is that beauty is not on the outside of a person but what is inside of him. It means that the behavior of a person is more than important of his or her looks. So third animated movie is Wall-E. Wall-E knows love. He knows how to love a friend and is totally protective and caring of his work companion her. He knows how to love the world, devotedly tending to a barren earth. So the main purpose of the story is clean up the earth from the garbage. It also gave the Academic Award for the best animated movie in 2009. So student, Wall-E, he always spent his time to clean up the earth from the garbage. The animated story is Kung Fu Panda. Panda was never happy at his family run noodle shop. He knew it was not his destiny. Therefore, he never dreamed of making his business big. He always longed to learn Kung Fu, and when he pursued his dream, he became the greatest. So, the thing we can learn from the story that believe in yourself. This is very important if you are looking forward to succeeding towards the road of the success. You will get many people who will try you pull down, but it is very important you all are having believing in yourself. So if you all are having believing in yourself, you can win any fight. So second is stay humble. Humbleness is very important in a fight. So student, third is teamwork. We should work in a team. If you will work in a team, you will finally get the success. Animated movie is The Incredible. So the lessons we can learn from the story is that don't look back, it distract from the now. So student, you will never look back, it will distract you from the now. Second is family comes first. The entire movie was about the Parr family. The member of the Parr family is ready to sacrifice his lives for each other. Third is never discount anyone's ability. Fourth is the importance of honesty. honesty is the main important theme of the movie. Fifth is don't be afraid to take a risk. It is easy to do safe thing, but it is very hard to do hard thing. If you will do hard thing, it can lead a greatest reward for you. So sometimes your weaknesses can become your greatest strength. So sixth animated movie is Ice Age. So the lessons we can learn from the Ice Age is change isn't easy, but it's part of life. So student, change is not easy in our life, but it is very important for our life because it is a part of our life. Teamwork makes the dream work. So student, in Ice Age, crew are ready to work in a team to face the challenging. So bring what you have and trust that it's enough. So student, fourth is choose your heart wisely. It is depending on you how you will choose your friend. So student, the fifth our lesson is that family is very important gift we have. Animated movie is that The Little Mermaid. We know that Ariel has the most beautiful voice. We learn about her inner beauty first before we even see her or know what she looks like. So student, spiritual beauty is more important than physical beauty. The lesson here is that if we were to give up during challenges, we would never reach our dream. But if you try your best, you can succeed. So student, you have to must doing best to get fulfill your dream. So go after your dream, no matter how impossible they may seem. The eighth animated movie is The Jungle Book. The most important lesson in Jungle Book is to not be a coward. We need to face our fears, gain confidence and triumph over it. This is shown beautifully when Mowgli faces the tiger Sher Khan and saves his friends Baloo from the Sher Khan. So the Jungle Book also tells us how to lead a simple and happy life. So that's in this video, that's all about the animated movie. We love to watch animated movie. So student, I hope you understood the video perfectly and do the work properly. Thank you.